liver, fatty liver, lung problems, strokes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. So it's very exciting. Basically, all of us have stem cells. When the sperm and the ovum meet, it's actually the first cell. That is the stem cell, and within 9 months of one cell, you get a whole baby. So that life is formed from one cell, and then stem cells are in our body, and of course they are the ones that do all the repair. So let's say you get a cut. After a while, it heals by itself. Why? Because the stem cells are released and they repair. But that problem is that after a certain age, from 40 onwards, our stem cell numbers will decrease. They get used up. And even after 60, though we have some stem cells, they are very dormant. So the repair mechanism stops, and that's why we say you're aging. Right? So what we have discovered is that whether we can actually take young stem cells and inject into people, whether that will help to regenerate, rejuvenate. And of course, now a lot of research is going on. Look at even disease. There's a research that in some countries for osteoarthritis, there already is a product that can be treated, like India, Korea, Singapore. So we know that stem cells can regenerate, can rejuvenate. And now we're also looking at whether they can treat disease, like for example, liver, fatty liver, lung problems, strokes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. So it's very exciting. But the main focus of stem cells that most people were looking at was wellness. That means kinetic stem cells to look at staying, healthier for a longer period.